Today we're going to be showing how to install an overlay panel for a true panel-ready one-door refrigerator. Before we get started on drilling out our overlay panel door, we want to protect the door surface as well as the surface underneath. We're doing this by rolling out either some cloth material or some foam material. Next, we're taking our 3M double-sided tape and rolling out a strip on one side of the door. So it doesn't have to be perfect, we're just laying it down. And then this is to hold our door in place. I'm going to repeat this process on the other three remaining sides. Now we're taking our refrigerator door and getting it prepped to drill. So we're placing it on top of our overlay panel, and you'll notice that we still have the gasket material on the door. So we have to remove the gasket material to expose the drilling locations. The gasket material should come out of the channel easily. After we have it removed, we want to line up our edges and make sure that all edges are square and flush around the door, the refrigerator door to the overlay panel. Next, we're taking adjustable C-clamps to clamp down the overlay panel to the fridge door. This is to prevent our drill edge from walking when we're drilling through the door into the overlay panel. Next, we're going to begin drilling out our holes through the refrigerator panel into our overlay panel. Now we're going to be screwing our overlay panel directly into our fridge door using the holes that we just created. After we have the overlay panel attached to our fridge door, we're going to remove our C-clamps and then insert our channel material or our gasket material back into our channel. It should slide into place. And just apply some light pressure to seat the gasket properly. I've got the refrigerator laying on its back so that we can reapply the fridge door with the overlay panel installed. So I'm going to line up my door assembly with the hinge pin on top. Once it's located in the hinge pin, I have to reattach my bottom screw holes. Next, we're going to attach the hinge pin by screwing it back on to our panel-ready door. So we've got to line up our holes. And then just reattach our screws. So it's easier if you get both of them started halfway before you tighten both screws.